Hello everyone, this is a simple beginners project called Blurry image loading, and you can see the output here. The percentage will blur out and image will blur in simultaneously when you refresh the page. Next I'll show you the files. This is the index.cs and JS file. Practice in Visual Studio Code, and do let me know if you have any questions and comments. Practice more on CSS part. Try different values and see the difference in output. The more we practice, the more we learn. So all the best for your projects. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Gameavan channel for more mini projects.